Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform, serve and make a delicious latte macchiato using your KitchenAid KF8 full automatic espresso machine. Such a nice latte macchiato you can create with that machine and pre-grounded coffee. That means a latte macchiato. This is a coffee beverage. The name is Italian for stained milk, referring to the way the drink is prepared by pouring a shot of espresso into a steamed milk. It is a play on espresso macchiato, an older drink consisting of espresso marked with a dollop or two of milk or cream. The latte macchiato difference from the cafe latte. You can choose the cafe latte on the first side there, and you can see it's a different beverage than the latte macchiato. First, in a latte macchiato, espresso is added to the milk, rather than a milk to espresso. Second, a latte macchiato features more foam rather than the simply hot milk. A latte macchiato often uses only half an espresso shot or less. Finally, a latte macchiato is often a layered drink rather than being mixed. In a cafe latte, the emphasis is on the coffee, while a latte macchiato, it is on the milk. The macchia spot is the small stain of brown espresso foam, known as a crema left on the top of the milk, shown where the espresso shot was poured. Its pre-depth originally distinguished the latte macchiato from a coffee latte. As in cafe latte, the espresso is added to the cup first before the milk is mixed in. Another similar named beverage is coffee macchiato, also known as espresso macchiato. It is actually a shot of espresso stained with a small amount of milk. And a latte macchiato may be prepared simply by frothing milk, generally producing generous foam, pouring it into a glass, and adding the espresso. The frothing is generally extensive, yielding signification light, dry foam with a layer of liquid milk underneath. The resident of wet microfoam used in a latte art. Alternatively, it may be prepared as a layered drink, with the espresso gently poured. That means so that it forms a layer between the denser liquid milk below and the lighter foam above. In the case, is a glass of course essential for the layers to be visible. The espresso may be brewed into a stained espresso cup or a shot glass and then swiveled dumping in, or may be brewed into a specialized espresso brew pitcher, which makes pouring easier, particularly for layering. But here it comes. This KitchenAid can make this fully automatic because it is a full automatic espresso machine. And of course it can make us latte macchiato using pre-ground coffee too. First, of course, we will water for that in the water tank. And then we open in the back side the bean hopper. The bean hopper area is located here. And then we have here a little chamber which we can lift up, and then we take our pre-ground coffee and take one scoop of coffee grounds into this area. Here we are. Okay, and get it into position. Just done. Here we are. There it is. Close the lid again, and we are now in pre-ground mode. Okay, the pre-ground mode is shown on the left upper side, as you can see over there. Here we are. And then we choose latte macchiato. We choose a glass, get it underneath. It's a big glass. You see a big glass, of course. And you see here the layered areas. We will perform with pre-ground coffee now. We have here the ground coffee settings, the temperature. You should use the high temperature. That's the best way, of course, to make a fresh coffee. The body should be strong, medium, or light. Strong means this is a heavy coffee flavor. And of course, it's important to get these layers coffee second. That's important at the latte macchiato, because we are going to check that there is a white layer, a brown layer, and a white layer. Okay, but you can change this. The type of the milk is dairy, if it is milk-based by a cow, or a plant-based. Then the volume. You can go down, of course, if you have a smaller cup, but these are really big latte macchiato glasses, so we go up to 110 milliliter. Of course, you can go down and the espresso is only at 30 milliliter, for example. The volume of the foam and the milk should be 190 milliliter, only in that case because we have big and so big glasses here, which we are going to use. So you can go down if you have smaller sizes there. And then, of course, we start the heating process. Then, of course, we does not need to grind our beans because we are going to make this pre-ground coffee style. And then after the heating, we are applying the milk into it, the foam into it, and then the espresso. And the espresso itself is a concentrated form of coffee produced by forcing hot water under high pressure through finely ground coffee beans. Originating in Italy, the espresso has become one of the most popular coffee brewing methods worldwide. It is characterized by small serving sizes, and the espresso is one of the base of nearly all milk-based drinks on our fully automatic espresso machine here. You see, applying the milk is done, and we have a white out in the entire glass. But we want to have it a little bit brown. So now we add the espresso to it. And the espresso is now going through the milk foam. And you will only see on the top side, there are 2 drops of areas where the espresso is entered into the beverage. And then the mixture comes and it mixes in the middle area. And on the bottom, it will be stays white because of the milk, or the plant-based milk, and then job's done. The Latte Macchiato is already done, and we can enjoy it in a second, for example. Job's done. Delicious Latte Macchiato. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Santa.